All right, Great Big Balls of Fire by Jerry Lee Lewis, part 1, the introduction, okay? You're gonna target A, you're gonna target D and E. These are your targets. We're gonna chromatically ascend, which means go up without skipping, from F sharp, G, A flat, A, okay? F sharp, G, A flat, A. You're targeting this one. Ba, ba, bum, bum. Again. Just start from the third black note on the left and just go up to this white note. Again. Couple more times. Okay. Don't worry if you can't do it quick. Just practice. Okay. Do that 10 times. Pause the video now. Stop. Practice this 10 times. Okay. Okay. Now let's move it along over to this one. Now we're going to target D, and again we're going to take a 4 chromatic step up. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 from B. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again from B. 3 black notes, 1 white here. Go from here. Slowly. Going white, white, black, white. Copy that 10 times. Yeah? Again. You can start slow. You can use 2 hands if you'd like, multiple fingers, okay? Please pause the video now and practice that 10 times. Okay, once that is done, we're gonna now finally aim for this one. So again, we're gonna target E with a 4-step chromatic step up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I'm using proper fingering, 1, 2, 3, 4, I'd use these 2. Okay, or doesn't matter what you use. Aim for that, hit it with 4 chromatic steps. Practice. Over and over and over 10 times. Pause the video now, please. Don't skip this step. It will not work if you don't do your reps, okay? Pause and practice that now. Okay, once you're done, we're gonna put the whole thing together with A target, D target, and E target. As simple as. Next target. Perfect. Last target. And that's as far as you go for the first part, okay? You should practice going 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Do that with me again and then pause it, do it by yourself. After 3. 1, 2, 3. Pause. 2, 3. Pause. 2, 3. Stop. Yeah. Go really slow on that. Practice it 10 times. Do not skip this step. Pause the video now, 10 times, then come back. All right, for the final part of this whole tutorial, we're gonna do the last part where it goes. Okay? To finish all that, once you've done there's just one thing to go. He goes double E, because there's no 4-step now, it's just a single double E, and then here. So watch. That's all you gotta practice. Again. Stop, practice that 10 times. Double E, E flat, D. And when you're fluent, you add it on to the rest. So the whole introduction sounds like this. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then goodness gracious, big balls of fire. Okay? That's it. Please stop, pause, practice everything 10 times, as much as you need before putting it together with your partner.